Okay, this road is called Estrada de Cacilhas, and this could be my last video, so I think what I'm going to try to do is walk all the way down, and there's not really any shoulder to walk down it, so I don't know how long I'm going to go. I don't know if I'm going to survive it. It's kind of not a very safe road to walk on, basically, but we'll see. I don't know, I've never walked on it, so maybe it's okay. And we got this beautiful building right here. Got this pavilion here. Let's just see if we can walk down it. We'll try it. Maybe my last video. COVID is over. We got Christmas music. It's December. It's 2022. And we were documenting the streets of Macau, and we got another street for you right here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Okay, so let's they're doing some Christmas lights over there, so if this is my last video, then at least I got to see some Christmas lights going up. And this is also the Cacilhas Hill racetrack as well. So let's see if I can walk down it. I don't know, maybe it's not so dangerous, I'm not really sure. There's another kid walking it, so it can't be too bad. Actually, I've been wanting to walk this for quite a while anyways. So it looks like this one is the elevator that goes up into the lighthouse. So I don't know how far I can walk down, but we'll see. So I think I could go, let me see, there's a Rampa de Padre Viscondes. So I could walk up that way, of course. But I kind of want to walk down this way. I've never walked it before. I have walked that one before, and it's quite safe, but you know, when I kind of mentioned to you guys that I'm going to walk down this one, I want to stay focused on that. Nice. But yeah, I think it's kind of safe. I can see people coming right at me anyways. So Cacilhas Hill Lighthouse is up that way. That's the elevator to the lighthouse. Up that way. Don't know what these are. Those are probably for the Grand Prix. Yeah, there's so here's Macau welcomes you. That's kind of a cool photo. I think I wouldn't mind capturing that photo if I can. So we are going to keep on walking down that way. Huh. I'd like to take a camera and get a photo of that. Hello. I guess it's a good spot to park. I might come up here some other time with my car. I might park right in that spot, and I can capture that right there. Looks like there's people that do hang out here. You can see why. So you can just park your car illegally, hang out in this little spot, or your motorcycle, and park in here. Yeah, the Macau Grand Prix signs are so cool. Dang. So I have my camera, so I can set my camera shot up, but there's cars coming by, so it's probably not a good idea. I'll come up another time. I want to stay faithful to the street anyways, so we'll just keep going down it. Actually, this street is pretty safe because you do have all these little places you can go inward a little bit. Got some nice little views as well. I didn't really realize. So this has some kind of housing right in here. I've never seen this before. And now we got a mirador right here too. That's the Senora Del Mar. Okay. So there's a bridge right there. So that bridge goes to Taipa. And it's kind of cool little space right in here too. So this is our road is actually turned to be a pretty cool road. You can see some construction right there. Huh. That looks so cool. Huh. I've also never been behind here either and saw all that black and white tile stuff. I don't know if that's new or not. And I guess I'm still on I'm on the main road, but I'm also on that little mirador, that viewpoint. So let's kind of walk down this way, check it out. Okay, so we can see some casinos here. I think that's called Dragon Casino. Then you can see some of the water as well. And we kind of have these little places to hang out in here too. I didn't know this is so cool up here. So there's a bridge to Taipa. More construction way up there. More cool stuff there. We got all these potted plants all the way up there too. So I don't know what that building is, but man, I didn't know there was going to be all this cool stuff here. I got some more houses here too. There's the Cacilhas Hill Lighthouse right there too. So yeah, this one looks like people park illegally and then they can come up into there. Looks so cool. Another place you can park your car and hang out for a little bit. One Gia Hill. It's like kind of a cool place to live. Residential place. See, actually the street's not too bad because I thought it'd be more dangerous than it is, but it's not. We'll see, I haven't gone all the way down it yet, of course. I wonder if I'm still on the same street. Sometimes Macau, they'll change the street names, so it'll suddenly be different. I'm also walking down where the Grand Prix is at too. I should probably walk the whole Grand Prix circuit, that would be pretty cool. I'm walking part of it right now. Check out those balconies. There's really not that much traffic here either. I think about it for myself, you know, like I don't really drive up here. I have a car, but generally don't come up here. Yeah, that's like some nice places around here. It's kind of unfortunate because my battery's gonna die. I got like 24%, so today is what I call a good film day. Got some really good footage and stuff. And I think I'm kind of getting into some areas I don't really walk around here too much because I didn't know how cool the street was, for one. Check this out, there's this little pavilion in here. It's like a rooftop. Can I jump over there? I think I could. but I want to stay faithful to the road, so I will not right now. Yeah, they got this the wall is here. There's a sidewalk over there. I could run over there, which I think I'll probably do after these. Okay, let's run across. Check it out. Wow. Oh, this looks so cool. Yeah, I never really see these buildings from this angle. And over on this side we have a sidewalk. The sidewalk might not last for long. Looks like it's going to end here in a second. Okay. So yeah, that's the end of our sidewalk. Gonna go on this side over here. Now I wish I was over on that side, you know. Dang. This road is pretty cool. Oh, there's buses up here too. I could take a bus, come back down later. Actually, it's a little bit unfortunate because this, I don't know how long the road's gonna go. See, there's a giant truck. It's kind of a cool space. Kind of a line of vehicles here. I kind of want to check out this right here. The light's on. It's pretty cool. Huh. Just cool buildings. There's an ESM up there. I guess it's a good place to get hit by a car though. So now I'm back over here. There's that building that looks so cool like that. And this looks like a little, it's probably like some kind of maintenance for the, we're still in our Target Street here. Estrada de Cacilhas. There's a little lighthouse up there. Let's just run up here. So it looks like there's a CCTV, so we can't go up there, of course. Oh. But yeah, it looks like so it looks like maybe that has some historical value, I guess. This video is turning out to be kind of long. I apologize for that. I didn't expect that it'd be going down for this long. Here's some more security stuff. So actually we're gonna overlook this in a moment. So I guess we'll walk across here. And I wish we could walk up into there. So we're gonna overlook this little spot. Hopefully there's no big vehicles that comes my way. That casino right there is kind of a funny one. I forget the name of it right now, but it's a ferry terminal right there. So that ferry terminal goes to Hong Kong and mainland China. Man, there's like all this cool stuff up in here too. And my battery's at 9%, so I think I'll make it all the way down, but I don't know how far this road is. But there's cool stuff up there. The problem is once I get to the end of the street, there's going to be somewhere I've never been again, and I'll be wishing I could film it, you know. Check out how wide this road is, because people probably come around here kind of fast, so they need that space. So I think I'm going to be coming down to the end of it shortly. That's kind of a cool spot right there too. So there's a beautiful house right there, building structure, and there's a beautiful pavilion right there that overlooks the water, right? It's amazing. Didn't even know that was there. Okay, so I think we're coming out to the end pretty soon. Yeah, so there's a gate right there. I guess you can drive your car up in there if you're connected to that place. And we're gonna come out over here. I wish I had more battery in my camera. Dang it. Okay, but I think we're gonna be able to make it all the way to the end of the street, so actually that's kind of cool. And actually this, you know, when they film the Grand Prix, there's a spot where you can see the Grand Prix, and I think it might be around here. I've done it. I've climbed up to the, it's not that one, I guess. Actually, there's some trails up there if you can see them by that space. There's a little restaurant right there. I'm going to try to get across. Private area. Tacos and pizza. Hello. So we got tacos and pizza right here. Huh. Baguio Court. I'll have to try to come up here sometime. I guess you can park here. There's a, it's so cool up there, right? Dang it, dang it, dang it. I wish I had more battery life, because I don't know where I'm going to come out to, but I know that this is an area that I haven't really filmed in Macau, and I would love to. Just check out this, even this little Baguio Court, right? The street lights are so beautiful. There's a little restaurant there, you can sit and overlook over here. So I think we're going to come out to the end momentarily. Huh. This area is so cool looking. Yeah, this is, I do know where we are now. I never really came, I never walked this street before. I've driven it, but you know, when you're driving, you know, you're kind of on a curvy road, and sometimes there's fast cars behind you and things like that. So we're just gonna try to get to the base, which I think is coming up here, and then we'll end it in a moment. But that was a pretty cool street. Looks like you can also go down that way, across that way a little bit. So I think what we're gonna do is try to walk over there in a moment. Oh yeah. So this way, this is a little dog park in here. So yeah, this is just for dogs. And there's a whole little trail in here too. So I guess that trail walks downward a little bit, and I haven't really done that before. And we're still at our target street too. So it says Estrada de Cacilhas. So there it is right there. Huh. So I just saw a park that I haven't really explored before. I didn't know there was a park that was parallel with this mountain that kind of went underground like that. And I'm going to keep the camera on. It's going to be kind of a long video. I usually don't want to do long videos like this, but I feel like this is kind of a special one because it's just kind of cool. And I think we're kind of almost at the end. Usually I try to cut it off like sooner than 20 minutes for sure. The perfect video I feel like is between about, 6 is amazing. 12 is good too. Okay, so we're gonna come up to the end here in a moment. Okay, so that's still the target street that we're on, Estrada de Cacilhas. So my battery died again. It'll probably die again in a minute too. But look, check out that really cool little space right there. All these apartments have that little circular 360 thing. This one too. Man, love those kind of places. So anyways, we're almost at the end of our street here, and I only got 1% left. I got 3 batteries total. This is the 3rd battery. It's only 1%. The other one cut off as well. Check out how cool that building is too. I've seen it other times too. I've always thought it was pretty interesting. Yeah, I think if you lived in that one, it'd be maybe a little bit loud, a lot of traffic and such, but it'd be kind of a cool space. Anyways, check this out too. So that goes up to the back of that hill, so all these apartments are basically backed up against that, and that was the street that we just went all the way down, and this is gonna go off any minute now, but I just want to get up to the so we're kind of now we're back into the heart of everything. So we have this Alves Cafe, and actually this is gonna all end in a minute. So now we're just back in the thick of it, of everything around here. Got a beautiful clock, CI Max. Yeah, and that road that we just did was that one that we just went on. I guess that's a one-way street. So the only way to come down that street is one way at that particular spot. Anyways, I'd love to do that one again. We're gonna end it right there. COVID is over. We got Christmas music. It's December. It's 2022, and we were documenting the streets of Macau, and we got another street for you right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.